Bailey?
You're right, mate. Sorry to bother you, but I've got a bit of an urgent job. Builder's let me down, and I've had a bit of a leak, and now I've got a couple of walls about to fall down. I don't suppose you could come and have a look at them for me, could you?
I'm sorry, mate. I'm up to my eyes in it all day.
I know it's short notice. We could pay cash. 500 quid?
I don't know. I've got to help fit this heating pump.
I mean, I've got a lot more stuff needs pricing up, but it's a big job. Could be a few months' work.
Where are you?
The old soap factory on Crimea Street, you know it?
Yeah. I'm on my way.
Oh, well, thanks again for lunch, Eileen. Really hit the spot, did that?
Now I've eaten, I'll be less narky. Everybody wins.
Them little meatballs. Oh, delicious.
Falafel, George. Falafels.
Very exotic. Eileen. Did you move the van earlier?
What, stepped out the house?
Because it's not there now.
You're joking.
Mrs. Middleton.
Oh, I knew it. Anybody there? Hello? Paul?
What we're going to say to her son?
Well, I wouldn't go to the police. I mean, it's bad publicity.
Bad pub. Are you sure you didn't leave the keys in it?
Who else has got the keys?
Todd,
Right. We'll ring him.
why would he take the van without asking on his day off?
I'm trying to help.
You and your flaming lunch.
I was hungry!
Mum, not now. Whoa, Nelly.
No answer.
Eileen, get this into your head. My van's been stolen with Mrs. Middleton in the back because of your appetite/bladder.
Well, if I'd known it was going to go missing, I would have crossed my legs.
Oh, how very thoughtful of you.
Well, I'll know for next time. Pillar.
Come on.
Full time this week. Always the left.
Yes, yes.
Should have got slip-ons.
Come on. Blast. There's no sign of it.
Well, we'll go for a drive round and I'll get streetcars to keep an eye out.
Streetcars. It's flipping Z cars we need.